In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the Countblank formula. The Countblank formula, as it suggests, counts the number of blank cells within a selected range. Depending on the analysis that you're performing, this could come in handy so that you don't have to manually filter a table or manually count the number of blanks which exist within a table. The formula is actually pretty simple. It's just equal to count blank, open parentheses, and then you select the range that you want to analyze. So in our example starting on row 24, we're going to count the number of blank cells which exist within a specific range. And in our example on cell K25, we're going to start by counting the number of blanks which exist in the row between C25 and J25. As you can see, there are a couple of blanks. There's a blank in cell C25 and E25, and the result of the formula returns a number 2. In row 26, there are no blanks, and the formula returns a 0, as expected. And in row 27, it returns 3 blanks because there are blanks in cells C27, D27, and E27. So this is just a very useful formula if you want to count the number of blanks. I can drag down this formula across the entire data table, and then I could even take a sum of all of the blanks by adding up everything that exists in column K, and we can see that there are 62 blanks. The other thing I could do, if I just wanted to calculate the total number of blanks for the entire table, but not individually for all of the rows, is I could just type in at the bottom equals count blank, and then reference the entire range of data within the table, and then press enter, and it'll return the same result, 62 blanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.